In this video, I'm going to show you how to open AnyDesk on a laptop in the easiest possible way, even if you've never used it before. AnyDesk is a popular remote desktop app that lets you connect to another computer, share access, or let someone connect to your laptop when needed. So whether you're setting it up for work, school, or helping a friend, this quick guide will walk you through each step clearly. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. It really helps the channel grow and it takes just a second. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to the bottom left corner of your Windows laptop and click the Start button. This opens the Start menu, where you can search for installed apps quickly instead of scrolling through your entire list of programs. Once the menu opens, click inside the search bar and type AnyDesk. As you type, Windows should start showing matching results right away. Now look for the AnyDesk app in the search results. When you see it, click on it once to launch it. If the app is already installed on your laptop, it should open in just a few seconds. If nothing happens at first, give it a moment, because some computers take a little extra time to load apps depending on speed and background activity. After AnyDesk opens, you'll land on the main screen. This is where you can find your own connection details. Look for a section labeled This Desk or Your Address. Under that, you'll see a number called your AnyDesk ID. This is your unique address on AnyDesk, and it's the number other people can use if they need to connect to your laptop remotely. If you want someone else to connect to your computer, you can simply share the ID with them. But if you want to connect to another computer, the process is just as easy. In the Remote Desk field, type the AnyDesk address of the computer you want to access. Make sure you enter it correctly, because even one wrong number can stop the connection from working. Once you've entered the remote AnyDesk address, click Connect. After that, AnyDesk will send a connection request to the other computer. The other person will need to accept the request before the session begins, unless unattended access has already been set up on that device. And that's really all there is to it. Opening AnyDesk on a laptop is simple once you know where to look, and after that you can use it to start remote sessions, share access, or manage devices from anywhere. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.